Python is available on a wide variety of platforms, including Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. To set up Python on Windows, go to the Python website, Downloads page, and download the installer from there. Run the downloaded file. This brings up the Python install wizard, which is easy to use. Just accept the default settings and wait for the installer to finish. So let's just do that. To make sure that Python has been installed successfully, open the command prompt. Type python -- version. If it says that Python was not found, it's because Python has not been added to the environment variables of this machine. So what you need to do is run this installer again, modify, next, and then check this box, add Python to environment variables, and then click install, close, run this command again. Maybe we need to close it and open it again. And now, as you can see, I have the Python version, which is 3.11.3, which means that Python program has been added to the environment variables of the machine. In order to create and run Python programs, it's better to use an IDE, an integrated development environment. When we have installed Python earlier, it comes with it this idle IDE, which we can use to create and run Python programs. So let's open it. So in order to create a new program, well, you can type commands here if you want to. For example, if we type print hello world, and hit enter, it's going to say hello world. Let's do this in a file. So this is useful if you want to test commands and see what they do. But if you want to create a program that you can run whenever you want, you should create a file. And let's put in here print hello world. And then save it and call it under documents, for example, and call it hello. Then if you want to run this program, just go to run module, and then it's going to run your program. And as you can see, it's telling you here which program has been run, which is for me hello.py, that is under my documents.